I'm Ty with WTI, and this is the Kamenstein Madison 12-jar revolving countertop spice rack organizer. I love this organizer because I can sit it right next to my stove and I can just kind of revolve it as needed as I'm cooking. I don't have to go into my cabinet to search for something. You know, it's all right here and it's on this easy revolving piece here. I also like how it's stainless steel and how it already comes labeled with these silver labels. It matches all of the stainless steel appliances in my kitchen, which having uniformity in that way is very important to me. And I just love the ease and use of it. You just unscrew it and then you can put it into your food. And the good thing about this is that it comes with a five-year refills. So you have that taken care of for you. So I really love this spice rack, and that's my point of view.